I wanted to make a really quick video and tell you all that I got an Instagram account. I know multiple of you guys have asked if I have an Instagram account because you don't have Facebook, and so many people don't have Facebook, and quite frankly I'm getting annoyed with Facebook on so many levels anyways, that just in case I don't stick around forever on Facebook, which I'm not leaving anytime soon, but I thought, you know what, I should see what Instagram is like and see if I like it. And it'll give a way for me to share photos and just different things. I was working on a couple little kind of meme things just with some, pointers on them, and was thinking, well, how will I share that really? And so Instagram will be a great way. My name, I don't even know what you call it, handle, I don't know, is plantcrazy06. And you can, I think, just look up my name too, and you'll find me under Ashley Glassman. I'm also on Garden Tags, the app, if anyone would like to follow me on there. That app is kind of like Facebook just for plants, and it has an encyclopedia of plants, and you can tag each plant with its species and information about it and when the photo was taken and all kinds of stuff. So you can see the progression of some of my plants throughout the last couple of years, and and just interact more, with comments and sharing photos. You can tag me if you want to show me a photo, etc., which is kind of fun. I think that's it. Facebook, which feel free to join our group if you haven't joined that and would like to. It's called I Dream of Succulents, and the link to that will be in the description box below if you would like to join there. But on Instagram or Garden Tags, that's a new option to connect with me and let me connect with you guys. So I just wanted to pop on and tell you guys that right quick. So I will talk to you guys soon, and happy growing!